So guys, for the first method, you want to go to search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And now once you run this, you want to click on other troubleshooters. And now you want to find Windows Update. Click on run. Once this comes up, you want to select I can't download, install or uninstall an update. And then click on yes to run the Windows Update automated diagnostics. If it detects anything, it will try to fix it for you. See if that works. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now, you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you run this, you want to type in SFC space / scan now. And then click on enter. And you want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. Once that's been done, now you want to type in DISM space / online space / cleanup -image space / restore health, and then click on enter. And you want to run this scan as well. Once you complete both those scans, just restart your computer, and then hopefully this will fix your problem.